somebody right-handed? I'm right-handed.
Give me light.
Real Lens provides body cam footage for transparency and educational purposes only. On the night of August 4th, 2023, 2 officers approached 2 men inside a car as part of a homicide investigation. What happened next would soon become one of the most shocking moments for the department. The following footage contains scenes of violence that some viewers may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. Inside the car, there were 2 men, and each officer approached one of them.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back real quick. Just being detained. You got any weapons or anything on you? No. 95.
The female officer went toward the man identified as Daton V.
Partner, come here. Come here. Car.
Got nothing.
Yeah, just relax. Put your hands behind your back. Relax. We just saw you do a hand-to-hand, bro.
No, I did. He gave me the paper. I gave him the
It's all good, man.
The other man appeared cooperative, but VL became defensive.
Put your hands behind your back. Right now you're detained.
For what?
Hey, don't pull away. Put your hands behind your back.
Detained for what?
Hey. I got him. Don't move! Don't move! Attack me not. Go to the station.
The female officer returned to the second man, who remained at the scene and cooperated with the officers.
Don't move. You understand me?
Meanwhile, VL ran back to his car.
You get out of the car now.
I'm coming.
No, you're not.
Wait, stop reaching.
Stop reaching.
I'm coming.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I'm coming.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I'm
VL appeared to reach for a gun.
coming, bro. Bro, chill.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Bro, chill. Get back in the car. Where you hit, bro? Where you hit?
Give me light. Get this off. Let them know we need.
VL attempted to escape, but after hearing the female officer's screams of pain, he located her.
Where's the key at? At Washington, we need OFD.
We need iPad.
Hold up. Watch out. Hold the light. Give me a light.
Are you good? Get on the ground. Stop. Relax. I need OFD, Washington and Garland. Officer down. Where are they? Hey, where are you hit?
On the arm.
I'm hitting my
On the arm.
Okay. Watch your back. I said, Coach, we need OFD at Washington train tracks.
We need a track seal. Get a track seal.
Give me, I'm going. Where's that tourniquet?
I got it.
I have one on my.
I got it. Stay still.
Tourniquet. Where are you hit? Where you hit again?
I've hit my arm.
Which one?
Left arm bumper.
Get all the way up. Breathe, Kaylee, breathe.
I have one on my stomach too.
Kaylee, breathe.
I have one on my stomach too.
All right, we have to get the dust up. Relax, Kaylee, breathe.
Kaylee, breathe, okay?
You're all right. Breathe for me, Kaylee.
You're good.
Kaylee, breathe, all right?
You're good.
Higher up than that.
I'm shot in the chest.
Hey, we got you.
I'm shot in the chest. Right side.
We got you. Relax, okay?
Kaylee, breathe, all right? Breathe.
Breathe.
Another channel for the officer down. Channel for the shooter.
Where are you shot, Kaylee?
No, we have an officer shot multiple times. 43.
Where are you shot, Kaylee? Where? Right here in the stomach.
Channel for the upside down. Move that to the
Shot on
officer
the right side of my chest.
The male officer was shot first in the torso and leg, while the female officer was shot in the chest and arm. Both were critically injured and rushed into an ambulance.
Let the dog people go.
Andy, come on, bro. Stay with me.
You good, buddy?
Stay with us, bro. Stay with us. Talk to me, bro.
I'm right here, Andy. Where you at? Where you at? Give me the wound. Where
Right here.
you
Where you going? Right there.
Okay. It's on?
Yeah, there's another one right here.
Okay, look,
Hold on, no, we need
he's
to
right here. He's right here.
No, he's not right here, too.
Clear it out! Back up! Watch out! Kaylee,
right here.
Hey, breathe. Chest seal on. Kaylee, hold on. I got a knife.
Breathe, Kaylee. Kaylee, breathe. Can you talk to me, Kaylee?
Hey, everybody calm down, stop talking. Kaylee, can you hear me? Okay, tell me what you're feeling.
Orange Avenue opens up from Washington down. Running off to the hospital.
Do you feel just in your chest or in your belly?
Let's go.
Okay, where in your chest?
We're going.
Other responding officers pursued VL, who crashed his vehicle, stole another car, and managed to flee the area. Prior to this, on June 30th, 2023, VL was first spotted near the University of Central Florida, driving a red 2016 Ford Fusion with a stolen license plate.
You're gonna be honest with me, so.
Yeah, so here go my, I can show you my ID and everything like that. You can run the VIN number with me. I still smell like coochie, vagina.
Okay. Remember, I don't know you. We're not friends yet.
Okay. Shit, you just got out there and did it for me, so I might as well be honest with you.
0, 4, 7.
Mr. Veal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hang tight.
Can I have my phone?
I'm gonna use it to call your ID in. I'll give it right back.
Okay, it's V400.
I will be able to memorize it.
Okay.
I'm looking at it.
Officers later discovered that VL had an active arrest warrant for cutting off his ankle monitor and violating probation.
That's me. That's my VIN number and everything like that. Like I don't want to do no shit with you. No.
And I appreciate
running him all the way, but
You sorry, so it don't make no
wanted
sense
out
for
of
me to,
Orange County
you know
for
what I'm saying?
trespassing.
Even if it was him, he'd have to come through you to do some extra shit. So.
Turn around. Put your hands down. Don't run. I'll run it.
Hey,
Just like on August 4th, VL fled from police.
stop moving. Don't move. Hey, stop. Stop.
He's taking off in the car. Westbound. Research.
VL had previously been arrested and convicted for sexual battery, which required him to wear the ankle monitor. On the morning after the shooting, an overnight manhunt began, and SWAT located him inside an inn. Officers immediately ordered everyone inside the inn to evacuate.
You guys, this one. Like everybody. Is there anyone else in it? Is there anyone else in it? Is there anyone else in it? That's everybody? There's nobody else? Yeah. Find out what did you remember?
What's 512?
512. 512. Is there anyone else in the room?
Hey, you need to leave the room. Come outside. You need to leave the room. Okay, come on. Quickly. Yeah, go that way. Go that way. 526 is evacuated.
Outside. Police. Let's go. Police. Okay. Let's go. You need to come out now. Immediately. Let's go.
I'm not dressed.
Okay, hurry. Ma'am, you need to come out right now. Okay, you need to come out.
Are you ready?
For your safety, get your daughter. Let's go.
What?
Right now. Come. Oh, come on. Right now. Go down the hall. Down the hall. Down the hall. Let's go. Down the hall. Is there anybody else in there?
SWAT held their position, waiting for the right opportunity to take VL in. About an hour later, they began their operation.
Start giving some commands.
VL refused to surrender, fired at officers, and remained uncooperative.
Orlando Police! I got your left side. I got your left side. Peeking. Both hands out of the door.
Couple at a time.
Daton, put both hands out of the door now. Slowly put both hands out of the door.
What?
Civilian in the hallway. Run!
He's shooting. What? He's putting his gun out the door. He's just putting his arm in his gun. Got it.
He's racking. Yeah, well, he's
SWAT forced entry into the room and exchanged gunfire.
You need somebody right-handed? I'm right-handed. Right-handed? Yep. Take it, everyone else tuck away. Right in front of you. One down! All right, we got one down. Put your arms out! Put your arms out! Are you good? I'm good. We are all good down here. No officers hit. Suspect is down at the end of the hallway. I don't know if they deployed it or not. What's that?
After hours of a standoff, Daton VL, age 28, was killed early on August 5, 2023. The two officers he shot were critically injured and rushed into an ambulance as the city reeled from the night's events. The other man, who was with VL inside the car, was taken into custody but later released after being cleared of any involvement. Both officers survived the shooting. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe.
Look at my nigga D-John. He gon' bang. We do it for the dust. Shout out to the bus. Sheesh.